Can you imagine a society where youth valued scholarship, that they actually read for pleasure, that they learned a second language because they wanted to understand their friends better, or decided to be a writer because a poet spent the day with them? In America, there is a lack of intrinsic motivation in our youth to achieve. Right now, America is facing a big problem. COVID-19 has regressed the learning of students of color by 12 months, only further inducing a lack of will. 16 to 24-year-olds are disconnected from institutions such as school or the workforce. And in Boston alone, 30% of our Black and Brown youth are affected by these phenomena. When you open a mind, you open the world. Hi, my name is Shakayla Fields, founder of Cope Scholars. We provide Black and Brown girls with local field trips that expand their social and global citizenship. With Cope Scholars, we are able to address this growing problem amongst our students of color. We highlight human, professional, and social skill sets that are curated within our curated curriculum developed by school counselors, college, and career advisors. Students of color in our program can finally access and connect to spaces they have traditionally been shut off of. In the summer, they will learn about the gems in their neighborhoods, explore Greater Boston's natural landscapes, and build strong relationships before entering high school. When students are exposed to an array of experiences, they are able to function better prepared in society. Cope Scholars started February 2021. COVID-19 catalyzed the need to rethink traditional education. So in March, I entered into the Launch Pre-Accelerated program, and in April, I received my first community contract with DAP and Brain Arts. And in May, I was accepted to pitch. The U.S. has a heart for philanthropy. Nationally, there is over $5 trillion in nonprofit value. And in New England, there is $119 billion in nonprofit revenue. And in Boston alone, there is $105 billion available in nonprofit revenue. With our competition, all meet either learning or mentoring needs, but Cope Scholars meet all 9 of our objectives compared to our competition. If the pandemic has taught us anything, it is to diversify income. We will provide individual e-commerce mentorship plans, raise donations, and sell apparel and merchandise. Our ask of $2,500 will turn into $20,000. Our initial program costs are over $1,300 that will provide destination and transportation support. We will use the remaining funds for our digital marketing. 500 will go to building out our digital footprint, and the remaining money will be used for our benefactor banquet, which will help with event planning and promotional marketing. Meet our scholars. You are not supporting me, you are investing in them. So please join me in pouring into their potential, because at the end of the day, it benefits us all. Thank you.